What's up, everybody? Today, as you can see, I just received my newly freshly painted M package, which I'm gonna swap out on my C4. So I'm gonna start off with this short video to show you just how to remove the front bumper of a E89. So first off, you have a few screws just beneath this this lip here. It's just a few ones. And then after that you have these torque screws over here, all the way here under. Also you have two ones in the wheel well. Let's see here if you can see them, like here and down there. So I'm gonna remove those and see what happens, and I'm gonna let you follow the process. Okay, so while I was doing this, well, first of all, I removed these just below the lip here, no issue at all. And all of those are 8mm, by the way. These are T30 Torx, no issue at all removing those either. And then we move on here. You have the two bolts here and here, no issue at all, but it was still stuck. So there was obviously one more bolt missing somehow, and that one is hiding here. That's the one you need to loosen up as well. Once I did that, the right side came off instantly. So don't forget this one. Easily to do. Alright, so once you have the bumper off, you need to remove the clip on the other side for the parking brake sensor if you have it. That one, it just clips out with your fingers, no issue at all. But one thing that I had some problem with what was this wind or this washer motor here, and it took a embarrassing amount of time before I figured out how to do it. And you simply just put the screwdriver in here and you pry a bit. Also you have these tabs here, which I broke. There you go. So as you can see, it's a bit fiddly, but once you just know the trick, it's fairly easy. Alright, so now you see I have transferred everything over from the old bumper to the new one. This was really straightforward, really easy to do. As you see, you have the connector to the parking brake sensor there, and you could just release everything with your fingers. It's just a couple of plastic tabs on one and each of every parking brake sensor you have here. So no, it's just really straightforward. Everything fits in place fine. You have these little tabs over here as well that needs to be transferred over to the new one as well. And that's basically it. I'm ready to just get the new one mounted on the car. Also a side note, I bought these off of eBay. They were really flimsy, so I just ended up with painting the OEM ones. It looks pretty alright, I think. Alright, here we go. This will conclude this short video on how to remove a bumper, and in this case replace it with a new M1. I bought a used M bumper from eBay, and I would highly recommend doing the same, because using OEM stuff, it really helps you putting things back together. Everything just aligns up quickly and easy. So this is the first time I've ever done something similar, and it was surprisingly easy. So as you saw, a few bolts and a wire harness, stuff like that, and it came loose pretty quickly. So yeah, this is what the finished product looked like, and I'm very happy with the result. The paint job did a outstanding job as well. You can hardly see the well, there is really no difference at all between the hood and the front. So it's really, I'm really happy with the result. So yeah, there you go.